Hello students of Standard 8. How are you? Fine, good. Welcome to DAV Model Public School, Sita Songi. This is your social science teacher, Nitin Pushpatode. Okay, let's begin an online session of social science. Children, are you ready? Okay, let's start. In the previous online session, we have started the topic, the modern period. In that online session, we have learned about the British documents, letters, writing, speeches, newspapers, and administrative reports of government. So we have learned about that as a important source of information of history in that online session. Okay, students, today we will start the subtopic internet or database is an important source of information. Okay, students, let's start internet or database. Students, internet or database is an important source of information of history, and the just we can collect the main information from the internet. Okay, students, internet or database like Digital South Asia Library and British Library Oriental provide us a lot of information. Students, listen. Digital South Asia Library and British Library Oriental provide us a lot of information about the British government, about the British administration, and the other information. Students, do you know about the digital library? What do you mean by the digital library? Students, it is very essential to know about it. Listen. Digital library is a collection of documents in an organized electronic form. That means, students, in front of us there is a too much collection of documents and information is available in a electronic form. So with the help of internet we can easily collect the information and this information about these documents. Okay, students, then through such like digital libraries, students, through such like digital libraries we can easily access, we can easily observe magazines, articles, books, papers, images, sound files, and videos. That means, students, whenever we want to search some images, whenever we want to listen about some sound files, whenever we want to see videos, whenever we want to read magazines, articles, books, papers, whatever, definitely we can use internet connection, and through the digital libraries it can be possible to us. Okay, students, we will be able to search any information through the internet connection. Okay, students, so this will happen due to the only internet connection. So that's why it is very essential to immediate communication and getting information whichever we want. So it is happened due to the internet connection. Students, with the help of internet and the database we can easily collect the any information from the world. Student, listen another. See, this is the picture of internet connection system. So through this system, the all information just running throughout the world. Listen, students, another digital form to learn, Wikipedia. Students, listen. Do you know about the Wikipedia? Another, it is very essential to know about it. Wikipedia. Students, Wikipedia is a free online encyclopedia. Through this internet system, see, student, one picture is given. Through this internet system, then it is possible to know, it is possible to collect the any information through the Wikipedia, through the digital libraries, whatever. So listen, students, Wikipedia is a free online encyclopedia. Students, it is very important for you. Whatever you want any information, then you can search through the encyclopedia by using the Google through the internet connection. Okay, students, Wikipedia is a free online encyclopedia. Again, students, encyclopedia means what? A book or set of books, a book or set of books giving information on many subjects. Students, information on many subjects just we can collect through the encyclopedia by using the internet connection. So students, whenever we need to search, whenever we want to information about history or the other subjects, then through the internet connection we can collect any information by the Wikipedia, by the encyclopedia, by the digital libraries. Okay, students, in such a way that internet and database has played an important role to collect the information about the any subject, about the anything from the world. It is possible due to this advanced technology nowadays. Students, now just you are watching this video through the YouTube channel. So that means, students, you are learning online through online classes. So students, this is happened due to the internet connection. So in such a way that internet or the database just play an important role to learn and to just a source of information, to collect the information for the study purpose, for the every purpose. Just it is played an important role. Okay students, in such a way that today we will learn about the internet or database as a most important source of information. Okay students, on the basis of today's content, one question is I am giving as an assignment question: what is the importance of internet or database? You have to write the answer of this question. Okay students, remaining part of this lesson we will learn in the next online session. Okay students, thank you very much.